Hello guys, today we are going to review a new kind of lens. It is a zoom lens, but it has 20 to 40x zoom. That means you can change your magnification from 20 to 40x by changing the zooming ring. So in this case, instead of getting only a single ring, you are getting two rings. One is for focus and another one is for zoom. If you rotate left, you will get 20x. If you rotate it right, you will get 40x. So what is the benefit? It exactly works like a DSLR lens. It is very nice, unique type of lens from Apexel. You can see paper made. Let me open this box and we will see what are the contents inside this box. As you can see, there is a beautiful lens bag is there. This is the fender and the holder for the lens, and there is also a tripod inside. This is the lens bag, beautiful lens bag. You can carry it wherever you want to go. And this is the tripod, and some other things are also there. This is the lens clip. There is a cleaning cloth from Apexel, and there is one more cleaning cloth. Two cleaning cloths are there. Okay, and there is the manual. So these are the things you are getting inside this box, and this tripod is very nice. We have already reviewed this tripod, so we are not going to waste our time with this tripod again. So we will keep it aside. These things also we will keep it aside. And this is the lens clip. We need this. This is the beautiful bag with very nice touch to it. Very beautiful looking blue color. So let me open this lens. Wow, it is very sturdy. You can feel it. It is purely of metal build, so don't worry about the quality of this lens, build quality of this lens. So as I have shown you, there are two rings. One is for focus, it is written. Another one is for changing the zoom. So let me open it. This lens will be protected by two caps. Okay, so two caps will be there. It looks beautiful front. Check the front part. It looks just like a DSLR lens. This is the lens hood. You can open it. No, it's fixed. So you just have to rotate this to set the focus. You just have to rotate this to set the magnification. It is a little bit tough to rotate this two rings, so after using for some time, I think it will be loose, so then you can able to use it very nicely. Okay, so if you rotate this part, as you can see, it is going back and front for focusing. And if you are rotating this bottom part, you cannot see what is happening inside, because inside lenses are changing their position if you rotate this one. So this will change the magnification. So without wasting our time, let's go out and test this lens. This is the normal field of view. If you are going to shoot it with your phone, I will attach this lens now on top of this camera, and you will see the output like this. Is not it beautiful? You can get a very nice blurry background, and perfectly this clip is in focus. You are getting very beautiful shot out of it, and we are shooting it currently at 20x, which is the lowest magnification of this lens. So let me increase the magnification of this lens, and we can see how it will affect our output. So I am rotating towards the 40x. As you can see, the clip is coming more close towards the lens, and this is the output of the 40x magnification lens. Let me adjust the focus a little bit. rotate the front ring to set the focus, and rotate the bottom ring to increase or decrease the magnification. So this is the output from 40x zoom of this lens. And you have seen this clip is around 3 meters away from this lens, and you can see the beautiful background, blurry background like DSLR. So this is the output of your 20x 40x zoom lens. So let me decrease the magnification so that you can able to know the difference between these two magnification. Let me also capture two photos in 40x, and now I am decreasing. This is in 20x. So this is the difference between these two magnification. So whenever you want, you can change the magnification as well as focus. So let me change the focus and focus to the background. So background, you can see just a house is there with some glass window. Currently the front clip are in blurry mode, so they are blurred. And if I want, I can change the focus, and again we can make them in focus so that we are getting a very nice blurry background. So this is the output of this lens. Let me capture some photos and I will show you the output from this lens. As you can see from the output, there is no blurry edges or any distortion or any chromatic aberration. You are not getting any blue fringing, maybe because currently it is cloudy weather and it is evening time, so you are not getting any blue fringing. So this lens quality is looking very nice. You can see the sharpness in the images. And let me show you how much distance currently we are shooting. We are currently shooting at 20x, and let me remove the lens and I will show you what we are shooting. We are shooting that building, this whatever is written there, and let me attach the lens, and this is the output with lens, and this is only 20x. So let me increase the magnification slowly, and you can see how the output is changing. So if you increase the magnification, you have to reset your focus. So at the same time I am resetting the focus, okay, and as well as I am increasing the magnification. Now you can see the text is more bigger than the 20x magnification. And now this is the output from 40x zoom. Little bit right side we will capture, okay. So now this text is more bigger than the 20x magnification, and we are shooting from the same distance. We are not going close or far, we are just changing our magnification. So this is 40x. Let me capture one photo and then we will go to 20x again. So I am rotating, and this is your 20x. The minimum focus distance is around 2 to 3 meters, so always keep a distance of 2 to 3 meters from your lens. In this you can see the details of the bottles, you can see the texture on the bottle, and little bit blue fringing is there on the edges of the bottle. So the blue fringing will increase if the sunlight will be hard. So don't shoot ever in harsh sunlight, better to shoot during sunset time or sunrise time. To get more background blur, always shoot at 40x magnification if you can. Otherwise, if you can go to 20x, you can see the background blur also decreases. So this is 20x, and you can see the background has some green thing, that means some trees. But in case of 40x magnification, you cannot able to see what is in the background. So I am going to 40x now, and you can see very less details on the background. So always shoot in 40x magnification if you want more background blur. Better to use a tripod to get stable shot, because 40x is too much magnification. Hopefully you understood the difference between 20x and 40x and how to use this lens. Let me know in the comments if you like the lens or not. If you want more sample shots, you just comment below this video or contact me on Instagram, so that I will post more number of shots from this lens. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.